found something that is maybe... Hey guys, I found something that is maybe cool. The Scratch 3.0 show audio plays. Into the video. I mean video. No.
It's time for the Scratch 3.0 show.
Trademark here.
Contestants get to have all the fun. If you're on the show, you've already won. Now that I no longer compete, I feel incomplete. Taking part in the action made for easy interaction with friends. And nothing was the same once it wasn't just a game. I never wanted it to end. I hope that I could feel alive again.
Without the game, you don't feel alive?
Yeah!
Wow, that's weird. I think I see it the exact opposite way. Contestants are divided for fun. They face challenges that are never done. Since every single person you meet could cause your defeat, all they want is your reaction as you become a fraction of land. Between who you really are and what you know can get you far. It's not meant for us to transcend. We have someone upon whom we depend. We have someone upon whom we depend.
Maypad, how many parameters away is Marshy Marsh from here? I want to find her for Mr. Fat. What are you looking at?
Their progress. For what it's worth, there is certainly some efficient bucket passing to acknowledge, yet many of the contestants have become erratic in a way that eludes me.
Elude? What's eluding you?
I noticed that they all seem focused on pleasing each other, but none of them are very pleased themselves. Just from a logical perspective, shouldn't you receive what you provide?
Huh? Not always!
In fact, when I